Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Leonardo AI account. So let's get started. First, head over to the Leonardo AI website. So click the first link that pops up. Alright, once you're here, click Get Started. Now, you can either sign up with your Apple, Google, or Microsoft account, or you can just use your email. For this example, I'm just going to be using my email, so I'm going to click Sign Up here at the bottom. And now I'm going to type in my details. If you're using your email to sign up as well, make sure to follow the password format. You need to add a symbol, number, uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. Once you're done, click Sign Up. Now check your email for the verification code. Alright, once you have the verification code, type it in and click Confirm Account. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.